Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about computational thinking. Means I am going to revise the first chapter, computational thinking. Okay, I am going to just revise the chapter. So actually, students, computational thinking. What is meant by this? Computational thinking means it is a process how you are going to solve a problem. Computational thinking means it is a process to solve. Means you can able to say it teaches. Okay, it teach. So computational thinking means it is a process to solve problem. Means it teaches. It will teach us how we will solve the problem. As usual, we know we are humans. Okay, and the way we solve and the computer solve, there is a difference. We will think, okay, but computer how it is going to solve, how computer will solve the problem. So that only we are going to see. Okay, in our book they given one example. Regarding that example, we can see tomorrow. Now I will explain the components of a computational thinking. Okay, there are mainly 5 components. Students, these are the mainly 5 components of a computational thinking. Okay, this is a main 5 components of computational thinking, and it is very important. So this is the way computer solves each problem, every problem. Example, if you are giving 343 plus 72, so computer will solve this question like this way only. Okay, any, it can be a mathematics or it can be a programmable, it can be a conditions. Okay, robots is talking with us. Means if you are seeing any robot, if you are giving hand, if you are shaking hand, it also behaving with us like a robot, means like a human. How it is behaving with help of this computational thinking. Okay, with help of this process only, it is behaving with us like a human. First of all, analysis. So in this chapter, this computational thinking, these components, not only for the learning manner, you should implement in your real life. Okay, if you want to buy any book, okay, if you are interested in aeronautics, or if you want to learn any new thing, if you want to do such type of thing, how you are going to achieve. Okay, how you are going to achieve. If you want to take a first rank, how you are going to achieve. So for that all, this computational thinking will be helpful. It will be 99.9 percentage. It will be applicable for our real life. Okay, so you have to follow this in your real life. You have to implement. First of all, analysis. We have to analyze what is the problem. Okay, what is the problem we have to analyze. Second, decomposition. What the problem we having? We have to break into small part. Okay. Now, in our book, they given a Aryan. Okay. So Aryan is a small boy. Okay. In his full colony, they cut down the trees. He want to plant a tree, and he is a small boy. He is not having a money. Okay, so he analyze what is the problem. Okay, he analyze, he want to plant a 1,000 tree or 10,000 tree. Okay, it is just example. Okay, you can take as your wish. He want to plant the trees. Okay, now what are the problems? 1,000 tree, 10,000 tree. Okay, just imagine what problem. First problem is a money, and second, seeds, plant. Okay, After what to say means that this all for the fertilizer, he have to put the water, regular maintenance. So like this, so many problems are there. So this all are the main problems. Here I mentioned only 4, not only 4. He is facing a plenty of problem. So decompose it. Break all the problem into small part. Okay, small part. After pattern recognition, so it is planting a tree or making a seed is not a profession. He is a small way. Just now he is starting. So if you want to become a success, he want to search or he want to gather information from the experienced person. So how? What type of pattern? If it is a neem tree, he want to plant a neem tree, but he is getting of a banyan tree, okay, or any other tree. So both are trees only, both are same way of to planting. So this is a pattern. He is identifying the pattern. So which pattern he should follow, he will get some idea because collecting information from multiple places and he is going to implement. Okay, this is a pattern recognition. He will get idea. If he do such type of work, he can able to achieve. Okay, so this is a pattern recognition. Next one is the abstraction. Abstraction means that now he divided into small part. Now remove the unnecessary things. Focus on the where you want to, what the work you have to do, what you should do. Okay. So planting things, this all are the problems. Okay. In this few things are there which are not necessary but you added as a problem. So that all things we have to remove. Okay. So focus actually what we need. After algorithm. Now students, please kindly see here. First RM analyzed. Okay, he analyzed. Tomorrow I will explain more. What is it? I will explain more with that example. Analyze first. He analyzing what is the problem. He want to plant trees. He want to plant trees. That is his problem. Decompose it. He is a small boy. That is the first thing. And whatever he is going to say, no one is going to listen. Small students, if anyone is saying, so they will not listen. So he is making all the problems. He is taking out all the problems. Okay. He is breaking all small problems. After pattern recognition, if you want to plant a tree, okay, he is not an experienced person. How you plant? So he is gathering information. He want to plant a neem tree, but he is not getting. But he is getting trees. Same way, trees all are same pattern only. So how to make it a big? What are the, if he do, which way if he do, he will become successful, like that he is recognizing. After abstraction, he is removing all the unnecessary things and focus on where he want to do, what he have to do. So mainly focusing. Okay, removing unnecessary things. Algorithm. Students, in last year you learned algorithm is a step-by-step process to solve a problem. Am I right? So now he analyzed, now he got all the ideas. Now he know how to solve this problem. So that is a way algorithm, step by step solving a problem. So this is the components of computational thinking. Components of computational thinking. Okay. Okay, students, today I explained in a very brief way. Tomorrow I will explain more. And thanks for watching. Prepare for your examination.